Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is Advanced Question Paper Generated Android.
Then I see the abstract. The question paper generation Android application is a user-friendly and versatile mobile application designed to streaming the process of creating the customized question paper for educational institutions and teachers and educators. The innovative app leverages the power of mobile technology to simplify the time-consuming task of question paper preparations and making it efficient, accurate, and tailoring to the circumference need. The question paper generate Android application empower educator to save time and effort in preparing the assessment, maintaining a high level quality of and the customization and improve the overall efficiency of educational institution. The mobile app represents a value tool for modern educator, contributing to enhanced teaching and assessment practices. Let's see the flow diagram of our admin panel and the user panel. Then first of all, the admin adding the question list. First view the main page is the admin having login screen. Then enter the username and password means then going to the admin question list. Then add the question list and view and update the questions. If you want to change in the answer or questions and options, then easily update the questions and finally deleting the questions. This is all the admin panel. Insert to admin panel. Then see the user list of the panel. Then see the all the user list. Then see the all the user list of our project. And then user panel. In the user panel, login and register. Start the questions. Then first of all start the questions. And then answer all the questions. Then showing the result page. Then if you want to share the result means just click the share button to share the message. Share the result. Then having the setting profile. The setting having the profiles. You see the your username. I see your name and mail ID, all the details and the terms and conditions, and then about us. Then finally log out. Then this is the finally correct answer is type in the integer number like this is first option is correct then 1. If you second option means press 2 that like, and then add question added like the here see here what is Java. Then 8 admin. If you enter what is Java, this is if you want to update means just click on, and then anything update means then easily update anything. Then back is then log out. Then see the user list also here. Then who are all the user list. Then name of the users are SSE like user 3 like. Then go to log out. Then go to main screen. Then here we need to first of all we need to register. Name name is Charles. Then mobile number. Then Gmail at gmail.com. Then password 123 456. Then click sign up. Then first is the welcome screen, welcome to quiz app, then start quiz. If you want to select if there's a sample question, then select the questions option 1 or 2, then click it, then option B, then click it, then option C, A, then click it. What is computer? The machine. Then what is Java? This question is we enter in, then the out of your score is out of 3.